It's Gemstone on the spot with your girl Mo Picks, a talent show dedicated to bring you non-stop talent. Today we've got a one speculator lineup. We've got a box fresh on Peggy, our season 1 winner, and we've got a gem boss from hip hop to ballet dancing. And while we're at it, hit us up on Facebook. We all ears and we appreciate it. And a little baby told me that if you missed out on the Gaborone auditions, don't pop it yet. We might be hitting a city near you. And all about that later on the show. As they say, beauty is nothing without grace. Let's go check out what models got for you. Enjoy.